Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be creating a beautiful and practical crochet coaster. It's perfect for protecting your table while adding a touch of handmade charm to your home. Don't worry if you're a beginner, I'll guide you through every step. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Let's get started. Let's start with a magic ring. Into the ring, crochet 12 double crochet F. This will form the base of your coaster. Pull the ring tight and join with a slip stitch cell to the first stitch. Well done. You've just completed row 1. A tip, keep your tension even for a smooth circle. For row 2, work a double crochet increase, FE in each stitch around, for a total of 24 stitches. Join with a slip stitch cell. Great work so far. If you're having trouble with tension, try holding your yarn differently to maintain consistency. Work F, FE, alternately in each stitch around, for a total of 36 stitches. Join with a slip stitch SL. Nice job. Don't forget to count your stitches to ensure your circle remains flat. For this row, we'll add a decorative edge. Start with floral-inspired, skip 1 stitch, K, and in the next stitch, repeat the pattern. F, F, K1. Continue this around the coaster. Finish the row with a slip stitch. It's coming together beautifully. For the final touch, we'll make a scalloped edge. Work, cell 2H, 5 unfinished double crochets together, 2H silhouette in the designated stitches. Repeat this pattern around. Your coaster is looking amazing. Remember to weave in all ends neatly with your yarn needle. You've done an incredible job. This coaster is not only useful, but also a wonderful handmade gift idea. Keep practicing and you'll see your skills improve with every project. Feel free to experiment with different colors and yarn types to make unique designs. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and are proud of your beautiful coaster. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!